Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to math class today. Today we are going to build cube trains. So normally in our classroom, we would use Unifix cubes to build trains and then compare the lengths of different objects using those cubes. So it's going to look a little bit different today and how we get to measure the length of objects, but I believe you guys can do this. So we're going to practice building cube trains. So if we look here at this first big rectangle, we are going to go grab the square shape, and I want you to get this orange one, and we are going to shrink it down to where it fits pretty good in that box. So once you have that, then you're going to duplicate it, make a copy of it. But this time, I want you to change the color of it slightly. That way you can tell where one ends and one begins. And I want you to try and put it as close together as you can. And then you're going to go duplicate it again. And we're going to fill up this whole box. And then we're going to count how many we used. And duplicate and then change the color. And we're going to get just as close as we can to filling this train. All right, that's pretty good. Well, I wouldn't be able to fit another one in there. So then I'm going to go back and count how many I used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you are to get the pencil tool and write 5. Down, around, put on a hat. Okay, then I'm going to do the same thing for this next train. So what I can do, whoops, get my finger back, duplicate. I can keep that the same color because it's a new train. Duplicate again, change the color. Remember how we built towers of 5 with our cubes in class? Well, this is kind of the same thing, except for now the towers or the trains are just a little bit longer. And you can repeat colors just as long as they're not right beside each other. That one's pretty close. I bet I can get one more in here. And it's pretty close to fill in that, so then I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, get my pencil tool, and write a 6. You're going to do that for every train, and then click the green check mark to send it to your teacher.